is measures 24 through 28 for second violin in Sweet Child of Mine. For the bowing, I'm gonna play through slowly so you can see the bow directions. Starting in 24 with an up bow, you have those first two notes slurred. So in the measure before, make sure after that half note, you've pulled to the upper part of your bow. So in 24, we have up, then two staccato, very short separate notes, another slur, and now these next two notes are also staccato, but it's up, up. So stop very short between the notes. Now we're at 25. Then another up, up. Measure 27 starts down, down. They have a slight pause in between them. Up, down, separate. Now, this next one is a tied note. And then not hooked, but like connected to another C. So down, down, up, up. So measure 28. Down, down, up, up. The best way to do this is practice it really slowly, one measure at a time, checking your bow. And then put a metronome on, but put the metronome really slow. So let's start at 60. This way you can practice each of these bowings slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, up. Okay, and then once you get the hang of it at 66, put your metronome a little higher. Let's try it at 64. Up, up. The goal for this one, start slowly, start somewhere around 60 and start working your way up to 90. And then we may not make it quite to 120, but I'm going to show you at 110 what it would be like. Again, starting at 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see as the metronome gets faster, you're going to stay a little bit closer to the middle of your bow, and you're just going to start using less and less bow, even on the more connected notes, just so you have enough bow control. But the best way to attack this is play it all separate, one measure at a time. Put your metronome really slow, 60, even move it down to 50 if you can, and just move up a little bit at a time.